Good morning everyone. I am Garima from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we are going to start our chapter The Principle of Metallurgy and Chemistry of FeCu, Ni, UAg and Pb. Minerals. Metal occur in nature, sometimes free but mostly in combined state. Those formed in free or in native state are Cu, Hg, Ag, Au and Pb. The metals are formed in combined state with other elements and are obtained by mining from the earth as known as minerals, i.e. Cu mineral are oxide or Cu2O, CuCO3, CuOH twice. Sulfide minerals are Cu2S, CuFeS2, etc. Or when a mineral contains sufficient quantity of metal combined with the other element from which it can be readily separated so as to render the extraction of metal of good quality probable, it is said to be an ore of metal. Ores are mineral, but ore mineral are not ore. Fe will give Fe2O3 dot 3H2O. Al will give Al2O3 dot 3H2O, that is bauxite. Matrix. The ore usually contain a large number of impurities like metal, matters, rock stones, sand, limestone, mica and other silicates. These impurities are known as matrix. The ore are divided into four groups: native ores or free state. The less reactive metals like copper, Ag, Au, Pt, Hg, and Pb occur in free state. These metals are known as native ores. Oxide ore, these ores are classified as oxides and hydroxide. The metal like Cu, Zn, PbAl, Sn, CrMn, V, FeTi, Mg, Bebi, etc. occur as oxide and hydroxide. Fe2O3 dot 3H2O is hematite. CuCO3 dot CuOH twice is malachite carbonate. The metal like FeCu, Zn, Pb, Mn, CaSr, BaMg, etc. occurs as carbonate, or MgCO3 is dolomite. CaCO3 dot MgCO3 is Ca. Sulfate. The metal like Sr, Caba, etc. occurs as sulfate, or example Ca will give gypsum, that is CaSO4.2H2O. Silicate. The metal like CuZn, nickel, aluminium, Be, etc. occur as silicate. Phosphate ore. The metal like CaSr act as phosphate ore, like Ca is rock, phosphate, CaPO4 twice. Sulfide and arsenide ore. The metal like Cu, Zn, Fe, Co, nickel, Pb, Ag, etc. occur as sulfide and arsenide ores. Cu will give CuFeS2, copper, pyrite, halide ores, including chloride and oxochloride metals like Na, K, Mg, Ag, etc. are obtained as chlorides and oxochlorides. Nitride ores. The metals like Na, K, etc. occurs in the form of nitrite ores. Metallurgy. It is a branch of science dealing with the method of extraction of metal from their ores and preparation of alloys. Generally, few methods are used for isolation or extraction of metal: ore dressing or concentration of ore. The ore usually contain large quantities of impurities like earthy matter, rock stones, mica, which is known as matrix. Removal of these impurities from ore is called ore dressing or concentration of ore. These impurities during ore dressing, the percentage of metal increases, so it is known as the concentration. The purified ore is known as concentrate. The operation carried out during ore dressing are following: hand picking. The ore can be separated by sufficient degree of purity by simply picking it by hand and breaking the rock stone with hammer. The specific gravity. The ores is crushed in jaw crusher and powdered in bowl mills. It if the ore have different specific gravity, and if the ore is lighter and gangue is heavier, then it is concentrated by gravity separation. In this method, the powder ore floats on jerky slopy table and the stream of water is passed. So the ore is flown away with the stream of water and impurities fall below table from where it is removed. Magnetic separation. This method is used when ore and having same specific gravity, but one is magnetic and the other is non-magnetic, or is magnetic and gangue is non-magnetic. A thin layer of powdered ore is allowed to fall on rubber belt, which moves horizontally and then passes over a pulley and magnetic field. Particles or the part Particles of a non-metallic mineral falls off as the belt become vertical. The magnetic properties are retained on the belt until they pass out of the influence of magnet. Magnetic separation. Flotation process. This process depends on the fact that certain minerals are wetted by oil while gangue is wetted by water. Mainly, this process is used for concentration of sulfide or of CuPbZnHg. The grounded powder ore is taken into a big tank. To this, a mixture of water and small quantities of turpentine oil or pine oil and suitable additive is added. Then compressed air is passed so that the whole mixture is aggregated violently and fruit is produced. The ore particle stick to the oil particle and comes out on the surface as float and is collected. The impurities like earthy metals, rock, stone, limestone, mica are wetted by water, become heavier and settles down at the bottom of tank. By using this process, the sulfide ore of Cu, Z and Pb are separated from impurities as here given. Calcination and roasting. For chemical reduction, the concentrated ore is converted into oxides by calcination and rocking. Calcination is a process of heating the ore at low temperature in the absence of any blast of air. Moisture, CO2 are removed and the ore become porous. When limestone is heated, CO2 is given off and it is said to be CaCO3 will give CaO plus CO2. Roasting is a process of heating the ore strongly in excess of air. The roasting includes the following types. Oxidizing roasting. The volatile impurities like SLIS, SB are removed as volatile. It is used for ZNS etc. Blast roasting. The blast of hot air is passed through the ore for the explosion of sulfur and metal is converted into oxide. This method is used for galena and copper pyrites. Chloridizing roasting. It means the conversion of a metal of ore into the chloride by heating with common salt in the presence of air. Silver is converted to AgCl and then amalgamated for extraction of metal Ag. Sulfating roasting. It is a partial oxidizing roasting in which a sulfate is not converted to a oxide but soluble sulfate, i.e. copper sulfate to copper sulfate. These soluble salts are taken out with water and used for further treatment. Calcination and roasting are carried out in reverse boreatory furnace. Sometimes kilns are also used. Smelting. It is general term used for various operations whereby metal is separated by fusion from ore. Chemical reduction by using powdered reducing agent for the extraction of rather less electropositive metal. Powdered reducing agents are used. CRMN are obtained by reducing of their ores by Al powder. This method is known as gold skimmed aluminothermic process. A mixture of metallic ore and Al powder is known as thermite, and hence the process is known as thermite process. Carbon reduction process, the oxide of less electropositive metal like Pb, Zn, Cu, Sn, etc. are reduced by heating them with coal or coke. ZnO plus carbon will give Zn plus Co, PbO plus carbon will give Pb plus Co. Flux and slag. In order to remove influxible impurities, a suitable substance like flux is added during reduction process to convert inflammable impurities to fusible metal, which is known as slag. The slag is lighter than molten metal, hence it floats over metal and is removed from slag hole. Ore plus gangue plus reducing agent plus flux plus heat will give metal plus slag plus gas. The nature of flux depends on the nature of impurities to be removed. An acidic flux is used to remove basic impurities. FeO plus SiO2 will give FeSiO3. A basic flux is used to remove acidic impurities. SiO2 plus CaO will give CaSiO3. Some ores are self-fluxing because they contain some gangue which is itself fluxible, and no foreign flux is required. Air reduction. The process is applicable to the extraction of less electropositive metal, may be reduced only using any additional reducing agent. Higher temperature and anion present with metal being this change. HGS is roasted in air. On further heating, in the absence of air, the oxide react with unchanged HGS to give Hg. Electrolytic reduction. When the oxide of highly electropositive metal like are heated with carbon at high temperature, the metal combines with carbon and form carbide. These metals are excited by electrolysis of their oxides, hydroxide and chloride in fused state. Some other salt may be used at low of melting point of the compound under electrolysis. The addition of the salt help in electrolysing in the following ways: to lower the vapor pressure of metal, it reduces the corrosion troubles. For example, in manufacture of Na by electrolysis of a fused mixture of NaCl and CaCl2, the reaction are as under refining or purification of metal. The metal obtained after smelting contain greater or less amount of impurities. These impure metals are purified by the various ways: distillation, liquefaction, sublimation, electrolysis. Furnaces. The principal type of furnaces used in metallurgy are as follows: reversibility furnace, blast furnace, open hearted furnace, muffle furnace, electrical furnace, kilns. Cl negative plus Cl negative will give Cl2. Refining or purification of metal. The metal obtained after smelting contain greater or less amount of impurities. This impure metal are purified by various ways, as these we have discussed earlier. In the furnace, the fuel is burned in a separate part of furnace which is known as fireplace. The fireplace is closed at the bottom by iron bar on which the fuel is placed and burned. The rest of the horizontal part is known as hearth or belt. The change is placed on the hearth and fuel is burned on the fireplace, so the hot gases and flames are deflected towards the hearth by the concave roof. Thus the charge is heated and it will not come in direct contact with fuel, since the fuel do not come in direct contact with charges. For reduction, the metal is mixed with reducing agent like coke and carbon, while for oxidation it is heated in the current of air. The calcination and roasting are carried out in the furnace. Blast furnace. It has characteristic shape. It is about 30 meter in height and 6 to 9 meter in diameter. It is made up of steel plate. It is It is made up of steel plates. It is lined inside the fire clay bricks. The hut may be lined with carbon blocks for durability on the top. This furnace is a cup, cone, and hopper system through which charge is introduced in the furnace. Air heated at 550 850 degrees Celsius by combining of waste gases in blown under pressure through tire or nozzle. The downcoming charge meets the upward moving hot air blast. The temperature at tire is 1500 degrees Celsius and at the top is 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. The product leaves for three places. The molten iron is trapped from the base of hut every 6 hours or so. The less dense molten fusible slag floats on the molten iron is trapped more frequently through separate outlet. Waste gases escape through the exit near the top. These gases are purified before combustion. Blast furnace is mainly used for manufacturing of cast iron. Open heart furnace. These furnaces are used for the manufacturing of steel and work on the regenerative principle of heat economy. This furnace is known as Simon Martin furnace. The furnace is heated by procedure gas burning in the furnace over the heart. The hot produces gas passes out from the outer side of a furnace. In actual practice, the hot gases are made to pass through a brick chamber and then the incoming cold gases are preheated by first passing through the chamber. The hot flue gases are passed through bricks chamber which gets heated and the gases going out of the chamber are at much lower temperature. At some time fuel gases are passed through this hot chamber and the fuel gases are made to heat another brick chamber. The fuel gases preheated in the chamber burns and supplies more heat. After some times the current are again reversed. Reflective material, these are the substance which can bear very high temperature without melting or becoming soft. A suitable refractory material bears following properties. These type of substance do not melt or soften to an appreciable extent upon explosion to intense heat. They restrict sudden and great and extensive temperature. They support considerable pressure at high temperature without crumbling. They restrict corrosion of slab. Refractory material are used in form of bricks for the internal lining of material flue and hotter parts of chimney. This commonly used refractory material according to their acidic and basic nature are as follows: silica to foam, ginster, quartz and sandstone, etc. Fire clay consists of 50 to 65% SiO2 and 22 to 35% alumina. Graphite, chromite, bone ash, lime, dolomite, manganese, basic SiO2 and kaolin restrict temperature up to 1740 degrees Celsius. Bauxite bricks up to 1800 degrees Celsius. Alumica up to 2000 degrees Celsius and manganese and chromite bricks up to 22 degrees Celsius. Graphite is one of the most valuable material for manufacturing of furnace. Zirconia ZrO2 is one of the most refractory substance yet known and would up to 2600 degrees Celsius unchanged. So here our chapter is completed. Thank you.